Hey guys, so for today's video, we are gonna do some more messy buns. If you haven't seen my past messy buns, I will link some in my description box, but I had a different video planned, but I didn't have enough time to do it. So messy buns it is. Let's go ahead and get started. So for our first bun, you want a thick scrunchie and just put your hair up into a regular ponytail. Then you just wanna take your hair and spread it all around the scrunchie. So then you just want to take your hands and gather your hair at the top and then take another scrunchie, hair tie, whatever you have, and just wrap it around that bun you just created. Then with the hair hanging out, you're going to divide that into two sections, twist them both away from your face, and then I like to wrap mine around the back and then also the front. You might have to do this a couple times depending on how long your hair is, or if it's short, you might not even have to do that. Then just bobby pin it into place, pinch and pull around your head, and this is what it looks like. For bun number 2, you're going to take your hair tie and just take it all the way down but leave some ends hanging out, and then you're just going to twist your hand, and then so I'm twisting my hand, bringing those ends forward to the front of my head, and then I'm bringing that bun up towards the front of my head too, and then just taking that hair tie and then wrapping it around everything that's on top of my head. So here it is again at normal speed. Don't pull your hair all the way through, leave some ends out, and then you want to flip it up towards the front of your head, and then just bring your bun a little bit towards the front, and then just pull your hair tie over all of it. So here's what it looks like, and then instead of using bobby pins, I'm just going to kind of twist it a little bit and then take some of that section of hair that's sticking out and just tuck it into my hair tie, pull some hair out in front, and you're good to go. This one's very messy but still cute. So for bun number 3, put your hair in a ponytail and take a clear elastic at the end of your hair, leaving some out, and then you're going to create a hole and just flip your hair up through that hole 2 times. So here's the second time. Should look something like this, and you're just going to pinch and pull that little twist flip through thing you just did. So it almost kind of looks like a fishtail, but it's not a fishtail. Now you're just going to take it and wrap it around the back of your head, the front of your head. Just wrap it around itself, tucking the clear elastic up under the bun. Pinch and pull, and here you have another super cute, super easy messy bun. For the last bun, put your hair in a ponytail, divide it into 2 sections, take one section, twist it away from your face, and then just pinch and pull that twist, wrapping it around the front and the back, all around itself, bobby pin it. Do the same thing with the other section, twist it towards the back, and then wrap it around the back to the front, and then secure it with a bobby pin. So I am starting to go through some postpartum hair loss right now, so my flyaways right now are very crazy, but that's okay. So you should end up with something like this. I think this is probably my favorite one. So that's the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Which one was your fave? 1, 2, 3, or 4. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. We're going to be playing with these, so be on the lookout for that video. Mwah! Bye.